Yo, great rising. Big Monday is here, and it's time to get started. Listen, have you heard? There's a brand new technology called blockchain, and it's coming to disrupt everything. Listen, there's been a heavy amount of fraud, manipulation, people walking around here falsifying their way through life, and this is why blockchain is so important for you, because when it comes to your dreams and your goals, and whenever you say that you want to get to that next level, blockchain is that system that's going to hold a record of whether or not you're actually doing what you said you want to do. So look, this week I'm going to give you 3 ways that's going to help you create your own blockchain so you can hold yourself accountable on your way to success. Look, I love it. It's time to go get it. Listen, number 1, I just want you to write this down. Write down whatever it is that you want to accomplish this week, whatever it is that you want to achieve. And as you write it down, I want you to notice how just because you wrote it down doesn't mean you're authorized to have it. Blockchain has this system called proof of work, where in order to create your own blockchain, you must prove that you're capable of doing it. Listen, you've been way too entitled without proving yourself. Listen, everybody can do everything nowadays without proving themselves. So number 1, if you want that success this week, you're going to have to prove it. You can't just talk it. You got to be about it. You got to prove it through your actions. Prove it through your energy, through your effort. All right, number 2, I love this. Let's go get it with this. Listen, blockchain has this system where it forces you to follow the rules, follow instructions. There's been one too many times where you've been looking for the easier way to do things, and now you're becoming the shortcut king, the shortcut queen. Listen, you can achieve your goals. You can achieve your dreams in an honest way, but you keep trying to shine through shortcuts. No. Number 2, I need you to cut the shortcuts. I need you to cooperate with your dreams, cooperate with your goals this week. I need you to be submissive to your wants this week. And last but not least, let's finish it with number 3. Anything that's standing in between you and your finish line is just a little bit of effort. Let me say it again. The only thing that's standing in between you and your dreams and your goals is a little bit of effort. So stop trying to put a middleman there. Listen, the only reason why blockchain wants to exist is because they want to remove the middleman. Look, they want to make life peer-to-peer, mano y mano. Listen, you have all the resources in the world, but you keep trying to lean on other people. You keep trying to live vicariously through other people's experiences. No. If you want it this week, you're going to have to do the work. Remove the middleman and do the work. All right, so number 1, listen, if you want success, I need you to prove it. You can't just talk about it. Prove it through your energy, your effort, your actions. Number 2, I need you to cut the shortcuts. I need you to cooperate with your dreams. Look, do it the honest way. And last but not least, I want you to remove the middleman and do the work. Put in the work. Look, I promise you'll see yourself go to a whole new level. I'm talking about from good to great to phenomenal to unstuck. It's Lee Jr. Have a good week.